that the last year 2021 has really taken toll on account of corona. So maybe number of private sector players were not doing well. Goa, particularly being a destination for hospitality industry, I am sure that today it is public knowledge that the industry worst hit was hospitality industry. Therefore, it is possible that as far as service providers to these industries are concerned, who are badly hit by corona, may also feel the burnt of this fire, because they also will have limited scope as far as rendering services to these industries are concerned.
Under the leadership of our chairman, C.A. Khandelwalji, we began our first step, and we had a training session of the municipality staff of Goa government of 13 municipalities, North Goa and South Goa. There was a training session which was done. Today's faculty, C.A. Jayant Gokhale, who has got a hands-on experience in the field, gave a detailed presentation and the importance of the double entry system and the methodology of implementing it, and trained the staff of the government. Later on, I and Sri Khandelwalji, along with our managing committee members, personally met the ministers, Honorable Minister Maureen Gudino, Minister of Transport and Panchayat, and also Honorable Minister Sri Milind Naik, Minister of Urban Development. We met both of them, and we met their secretaries also, and we were able to convince them about this idea of introducing the double entry accounting system in the municipalities. Has floated the tender. I'm very pleased to inform you that the Goa government has floated there for introducing accrual based double entry accounting system in all the 13 municipalities. I can say that our chartered accountants have a bright future ahead, as this is the first step which is done, and the same I think will be implemented also for the panchayats. It's a very big opportunity for the chartered accountants in Goa.
We can have a capacity building method, as our committee is providing various capacity building program to the various state government. We are doing the Telangana, we are doing the Haryana, we are doing the Kerala, we are doing the Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, MP, Bihar. So these are the few governments are there. Chhattisgarh also, where we are guiding them, we are training them so that they can have the good accounting and reform, so that people are educated in the lower level, they can govern their accounting. Still time to be there. A lot of 15, 20 days, years are being completed to follow this accounting system, but still times are right, and we have to be strict, but we don't have to only look upon the accrual. We look upon the various opportunity which I stated on the taxation part, I stated on the budgeting part, I stated on the cash flow management part, I stated on the very ratio analysis part. So and revenue augmentation. These are the areas, whether it's a state government or local body or panchayata or central government, every area it's going to be needed, and we need to have it to the people. So here is where I'm specifying that advocacy function is there. Research study, we can do it. We can do the comparison of the expenditure, bid process management, negotiation management. So these are the areas are there. People are hiring people as an employee in the Gujarat government. If you see the chartered accountants being employed in each municipal bodies from last 72 years, we are working in the private domain area. We are doing the all traditional method work, and few people like Jayant Gokhale sir in 20 years before, just thought of it. These are the area can be there because of some of few people has thought it. The government also follow such private initiative, or has to follow the accounting standard, has to follow the accrual system. Mentality got changed, and we need to scale ourselves. We don't see that, big firm, big four, or big four, 5 or 10 or 20 people are making in these areas happening, and they are getting only the work. I can say we need to strengthen ourselves. I reminded by the Prime Minister Modi's things in 2018. He said that we need 100 more such kind of India firms to be going global, and that is why the ICI came up in the various opening part in the networking as well as the alliance model. And I can say that this is the beginning, and in the coming council, we're going to have a approved policies. As of now, 2006 onward, we were having a networking guidelines. As I said, that I think Barsa Madam has asked me to some have an overview of networking and alliance model. I just wanted to brief to the all members. Everything is possible. You can enter the service, you can be bid for it, you can get this opportunity if we have the knowledge, if we have the strength, and we have the apple to apple comparison. As of now, these areas of services are rendered by the some section of the people or the big fours, and if we also get elevated ourselves into that zone, we can also render the services. And that is why the ICI came up the alliance model and networking with the lead from model. We have the networking model. In alliance model, we are coming like 2 or 3 forms are like cake race are like a Thomas in the Goa, in my Chitlaji in the Pune, Jain Gokhleji in Mumbai. So all can come together. They have the separate individual form name. The individual identity will not be compromised as it is going to there for a non-audit function work. They came together, they form a alliance and can render the service. That alliance going to be registered with ICI, and all rules regulation going to there, and they can render the service. So they can be empaneled in individual capacity also. They can be empaneled in the firm alliance capacity also. So these are the alliance model being coming out. You will come to know in more detail once the council going to pass. And another is a networking model, though which is different what we have the in existing networking with the lead firm concept. In the lead firm concept is the same thing, because in the current contest we are finding a entity name, entity registered with the various authorities and getting the work in the entities. So these overcome by the lead firm concept. Suppose Chitlesh ji is there, and Gokhale ji, myself, other people are together, become together, and they said that okay, let's say Chitlesh ji firm is empaneled with the CAG and RBI. Let's we become part of it, and the lead firm of the Chitlesh sir will be a name per se, and their network going to be Chitle and company, whatever it may be, and become the partner. And that way, our turnover will be counted into them. All the work going to flow into the lead firm. We can be render the services and we can share the fees. So all the areas of the lead firm where no need of the separate registration, no need of the GST registration or TDS registration, everything is the same with the affiliates in networking with the lead firm. So these are the two points are coming. I'm just giving the brief and highlights to the member. Those are looking a great opportunities. Let's gear up yourself to tune yourself to the ICI new norms going to be announced soon in the next council, and maybe in the next month itself we'll have a proper updated networking guidelines. And now member has to be come together with the free spirit of mind, no fear of less. Previously, they are always fear how to merge themselves, how to network. There was no benefit of the network. Now everything of the benefits are there. You are independent also. You are merged entity also. So
C&AG has advertised 100 posts for chartered accountants for recruitment, maybe on
Right.
contractual basis, but just for information. And other details are available in ICI website.
Correct. Very right. Very right. So even Ministry of Corporate Affairs also advertised. Even SFIO is also advertised. Even MCA. So all government bodies are doing it. So it's a good effort, and members can take a benefit. and ICI also started the certificate course on the public and government financial management, where you can get the complete knowledge of entire ecosystem, even in the empanelment form also their requirement is there whether you have conducted this course or not. If you have conducted, if you have the certificate, you can mention that, so that the empanelment form which gathering information can be circulated to the all state government or all bodies where you can get the knowledge. So these are the one more points which I wanted to highlight.
I have had a long debt ever since I was contesting my regional council. That must have been 1995, possibly. My association with Goa branch has been my first series of lectures included a lecture at Goa branch. Dheerajji, you might not be aware. When Sunil Kothare and myself, before I contested regional council for the first time, my first lecture at Goa branch was on TDS, possibly in 1995 or 94 or 93 maybe. So ever since Goa branch has been so supportive that I cannot say no so far as Goa branch is concerned. And of
Sir,
course,
even for me, you know, when I contested 2006 election, since then the Go branch has always supported me.
correct. So in that sense, plus chairman, chairman of the committee is always, so far as I am concerned, the representative of the institute. So chairman's word is final. So when chairman said कि नहीं आपको समय निकालना है, आधा पौना घंटा तो निकालो. So here I am. Thank you very much, sir, for the opportunity. Always a pleasure to sort of refresh my own knowledge. And only my apology to some of you who might have heard part of this subject from me earlier. I don't know whether I have spoken on this very same subject to some of you. When I was there at Panchi Municipal Corporation, I had not touched upon this subject. But maybe at some other lecture, plus some of you might have enrolled for the modular course that Dheerajji has innovated and is now running very successfully. I think the 12th batch is running, possibly, or 15th batch, I don't remember. But it is going so well that I'm sure some of you might have attended that course. So some of the part that I'm going to speak of, because my subject is the opportunities in public finance and specifically with reference to government accounting.